Welcome to 10 Felix Street in Cawarral. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car home is definitely the best of both worlds. As a modern build in the Cawarral village itself, you have the convenience of walking to the convenience store, the fantastic local primary store, and the pub. Yet all the peace and privacy that acreage living brings with it. If a family home with side access, a large shed, a 2-car garage in a fantastic character-filled village is something that appeals to you, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts at McGrath Estate Agents.